watch carefully. There's like lightning in behind the clouds and stuff. So I don't know if I'll be able to capture it on my camera. Perhaps I might be able to. I don't know. I don't know if I'll be able to see it or not. Lots of cars. Oh, I don't know if I saw that on here or not. The clouds have completely taken over. At this time of night, it should be actually really bright outside. So, clouds have completely darkened the sky. Usually I wouldn't do that. You can see the little bits, maybe. I don't know if you'll be able to or not. Okay, maybe you might be able to see it this way. I don't know. You can hear it in the distance. It's not raining yet, so it's okay. I mean, it's not raining yet. Ah, there. Just a little bit there. Just a little. Okay, it's raining, but not like really hard in that. Oh, I saw that. I really saw that. I want to be safe. I want to be careful on here. All those bugs. There's lots of bugs. I'm not being very safe right now, so I'm kind of hanging off my balcony. I'm a little afraid because I don't like thunderstorms and everything, so it's like that. Yeah, you can see little bits of flashing lights. Look at the clouds. Whoa, I hope I captured that. That looks so cool. I think I'm beginning to like thunderstorms a bit more than I used to. Because they used to scare the crap out of me. I don't think they scare me as much anymore. Because when I was younger, I was actually in a tornado. So I know what it's like to have things torn up. Like, our house wasn't hit. The only house on our road that was hit was like severely damaged. Their roof and their porch was completely ripped off, and we recently went back up there. I mean, that happened more than 10 years ago, so we went up. Yeah, everything looks normal again. Some of the trees are still missing, probably. I don't know. I can't remember if there are any trees ripped off. All I remember is the guy's porch. I like it better when it's really severe and stuff. Clouds are moving really. Oh, I hope I caught that. I really hope I caught that. Okay, I'm gonna make another video, I guess. This is the first one of I don't know how many. Okay, so, whoa, that was